Welcome back to XCAR, everyone, and today, we've got something truly special gracing our studio. Something that hints at the future of automotive design. Feast your eyes on the all-new, yet to be officially revealed, Hyundai 2025. Now, before we dive deep, remember this is based on our understanding of Hyundai's design language evolution and future-forward thinking. The actual 2025 model might differ, but what we have here is a compelling vision of what could be, and frankly, what we hope will be. Let's start at the front, shall we? The fascia of this 2025 Hyundai is a masterclass in minimalist aggression. Gone are the traditional large grills we've seen in the past, replaced by a seamless, almost monolithic surface. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about aerodynamic efficiency, channeling airflow in ways we've only dreamed of. Notice the ultra-slim LED light signature that stretches across the entire width of the front. It's not just a headlight, it's a statement, a bold, horizontal slash that emphasizes the car's width and planted stance. Below this light bar, we see intricately designed active air intakes. They're not always open, only deploying when the powertrain demands cooling, a clever blend of form and function. The Hyundai badge itself is now subtly integrated, perhaps illuminated or even a holographic projection, further contributing to the clean and futuristic look. The front bumper is sculpted with sharp angles and subtle curves, guiding airflow around the vehicle to minimize drag. It's a design that whispers of high performance without shouting. As we move to the side profile, the design language continues to impress. The first thing that strikes you is the absence of traditional door handles. We anticipate a seamless entry system, perhaps utilizing proximity sensors or flush-mounted, pop-out handles that maintain the car's sleek silhouette. The body lines are fluid and dynamic, a continuous flow from the front fender to the rear. Notice the strong shoulder line that runs along the side, giving the car a sense of muscularity and presence. Below this, the surfaces are smooth and sculpted, playing with light and shadow to create a sense of movement even when the car is stationary. The wheel arches are subtly flared, housing large, aerodynamically optimized wheels. These aren't your typical multi-spoke designs. They feature a more enclosed structure to reduce turbulence around the wheels, improving efficiency. The tires themselves might incorporate advanced low rolling resistance technology, further contributing to the vehicle's overall efficiency. The greenhouse, the glass area, is another area of innovation. We envision a panoramic glass roof that seamlessly integrates with the side windows, creating a light and airy cabin feel. Although we're focusing on the exterior today, the effect on the overall design is undeniable. The pillars are likely minimized or even partially hidden to enhance the sense of openness and provide excellent visibility. The rear of the 2025 Hyundai is just as captivating as the front, echoing the minimalist yet assertive design language. The full-width LED light bar motif continues here, creating a cohesive visual link between the front and rear. It's a signature element that will undoubtedly make this car instantly recognizable. The rear fascia is clean and uncluttered, with the license plate likely positioned lower down to maintain the smooth upper surfaces. We might see subtle aerodynamic elements integrated into the rear bumper, such as a discrete diffuser to manage airflow exiting from underneath the vehicle. The rear window slopes dramatically, contributing to the car's sleek profile and aerodynamic efficiency. A subtle integrated spoiler might be present, providing downforce at higher speeds without disrupting the clean lines of the design. Notice the absence of traditional exhaust pipes, hinting at a fully electric or highly efficient powertrain. This allows the designers to create a more cohesive and streamlined rear end, free from the constraints of exhaust system routing. Let's take a closer look at some of the intricate details that make this 2025 Hyundai stand out. The side mirrors, or rather, the lack thereof, are a significant departure from tradition. We anticipate the use of sleek, camera-based mirror replacements, projecting the rear view onto interior screens. This not only improves aerodynamics by reducing drag but also allows for a slimmer and more integrated design. The charging port, if this is an electric vehicle as we suspect, is likely cleverly concealed, perhaps behind a flush-fitting panel that blends seamlessly with the bodywork. This attention to detail ensures that the charging mechanism doesn't detract from the overall aesthetic. The paint finish itself might incorporate advanced materials and pigments, offering unique visual effects and potentially even contributing to thermal management. Imagine a paint that subtly shifts color depending on the viewing angle or even helps to reflect sunlight to keep the interior cooler. We also need to talk about the overall stance of the vehicle. It sits low and wide, giving it a planted and athletic appearance. This isn't just for looks. it contributes to improved handling and stability, suggesting a focus on dynamic performance. Hyundai has been on an incredible design journey over the past decade, evolving from more conventional designs to a bold and distinctive aesthetic. We've seen this evolution in models like the Ioniq 5 and the Kona, showcasing their willingness to push boundaries and embrace innovation. The design of this hypothetical 2025 model likely draws inspiration from Hyundai's recent concept cars, such as the Prophecy and the Sedan, which hinted at a future where aerodynamics and sustainability are paramount. These concepts showcased a sensuous sportiness, design philosophy, blending emotional appeal with functional efficiency. This 2025 model appears to be a natural progression of this philosophy, taking the sleek lines and minimalist details seen in the concepts and translating them into a more production-ready form. It's a testament to Hyundai's commitment to design-led innovation and their ambition to be at the forefront of the automotive industry. Beyond the core design elements, we can speculate on some of the advanced exterior features this 2025 Hyundai might incorporate. We've already mentioned the active air intakes, but imagine other dynamic aerodynamic elements, such as a deployable rear spoiler or even active side skirts that adjust based on speed and driving conditions to optimize airflow. The lighting technology is likely to be highly advanced, with adaptive headlights that can adjust their beam pattern based on traffic and road conditions. We might even see interactive lighting elements that communicate with pedestrians or other drivers, enhancing safety and awareness. The use of lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber or advanced composites, is also a possibility. These materials would not only reduce the overall weight of the vehicle, improving performance and efficiency, but also allow for more complex and sculpted body shapes. The glass surfaces could incorporate electrochromic technology, allowing the opacity of the windows and roof to be adjusted electronically, providing privacy and controlling the amount of light entering the cabin. In summary, the exterior design of this hypothetical 2025 Hyundai is a bold statement of intent. It embraces a minimalist yet assertive aesthetic, prioritizing aerodynamic efficiency and clean lines, the full-width light signatures, the seamless surfaces, and the absence of traditional elements all contribute to a futuristic and sophisticated look. This isn't just about making a visually appealing car. It's about integrating design with technology to create a vehicle that is both beautiful and highly functional. It reflects Hyundai's ambition to be a leader in automotive innovation and their understanding of the evolving needs and desires of modern drivers. Of course, this is just our interpretation of what the 2025 Hyundai could look like based on current trends and Hyundai's design direction. The actual production model might surprise us, but if it incorporates even some of the design elements we've discussed today, it's sure to be a head-turner. What do you think of this potential design? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and predictions for the Hyundai 2025. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to XCAR for more in-depth explorations of the latest and greatest in the automotive world.